Hey there, welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever wished for a miracle treatment that could breathe life back into dry, damaged hair? Well, today we're talking about Olaplex No. 3 Hair Perfector. This is a product that's been a staple in many beauty enthusiasts' routines, and for good reason. Olaplex promises to repair broken hair bonds and strengthen your strands, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, Olaplex No. 3 is a leave-in treatment designed for all hair types, especially those that are chemically treated or have been damaged by color, heat, or environmental factors. The key ingredient in this product is bis-aminopropyl diglycol dimaleate, which works by repairing the disulfide bonds in the hair. These are the bonds that can get broken when your hair is exposed to stressors like bleaching or heat styling. Now let's dive into how this product actually works. The treatment is a lotion-like consistency that's quite lightweight, so it doesn't weigh the hair down. You apply it on damp hair, leave it in for about 10 minutes, though some people prefer to keep it on longer for a more intense effect, and then rinse it out before shampooing and conditioning. The formula is vegan and free of parabens, making it a good choice for those conscious about the ingredients they put in their hair. In terms of real-world usage, I found Olaplex No. 3 to be pretty straightforward to incorporate into my hair care routine. I applied it after a shower, letting it sit for about 15 minutes, as I tend to have more damaged ends due to regular styling. The product didn't have a heavy fragrance, which is a plus for those sensitive to scents. As for the results, impressive. After rinsing it out and styling my hair, I immediately noticed that my hair felt more nourished, less brittle, and smoother. It didn't completely transform my hair into a silky, shiny mane after just one use, but over time, my hair felt stronger and more manageable. If you've been dealing with hair breakage or dryness, this treatment can definitely help strengthen your strands and restore some of that bounce. But let's be fair here, this product isn't for everyone. If you don't have chemically treated hair or aren't dealing with significant damage, you may not see a dramatic difference. It's also not a quick fix. This is something you'll need to use consistently to see lasting results. And for the price, it's not the most affordable option out there, though considering how concentrated it is, it lasts quite a while. Now, when comparing it to other products in the market, Olaplex stands out because of its bond-building technology, which most competitors don't offer. That said, there are some alternatives like the Redken Extreme Length Leave-In Treatment, or even the Aveda Damage Remedy Restructuring Shampoo that work in similar ways and may be more budget-friendly. As for build quality, the packaging is pretty standard for a salon-grade product, simple, functional, and practical. The product comes in an 8.5 Felhoats bottle, which is a decent size considering how little you need for each application. If you're considering whether it's worth the price, I'd say it depends on how damaged your hair is and what you're willing to invest in hair care. If you're someone who regularly dyes, bleaches, or uses heat tools on your hair, this could be an excellent investment. However, if your hair is in decent condition and you're just looking for basic hydration or moisture, there are other products that might do the job at a lower price point. Before I wrap up, if you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so that other beauty lovers can find this honest review. Your support helps us keep bringing you great content like this. To summarize, Olaplex No. 3 is a solid choice for anyone with damaged hair that needs serious repair. It delivers on its promises to strengthen and repair the hair, though it's best suited for those with more severe damage. While the price may not be justified for everyone, it's a product that, if used regularly, can make a noticeable difference. Thank you for watching. If you've tried Olaplex No. 3, drop a comment below and let us know your experience. I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.